See, this life so now turn by turn. You get that? So now race everybody dey. Some people don't quick finish their race. You may never finish your race. That don't mean say you not go finish your race. Now only if you fall for ground, you don't get up again, you don't relax, say I don't tire, I want give up. Now you don't take finish your race. But no matter how many times you fall for ground, you don't give up. You see they continue. You must finish your race. But guys say, brother Osas don't finish your race. That don't mean say you don't finish your race. But Osas don't finish your race, you don't blow, you don't buy car, you don't buy Lexus, you don't build us. That don't mean say you may fall, may stand up. That don't mean say you don't finish your race. The main thing is say you don't give up. You feel also, you see the difference. If you give up, you don't lose guard. You get also, once you dey breathe, not give up. Once you see the life, not give up, not dey jealous. If you're jealous, they slow your race. You go dey run small small, you go dey delay you. So not dey jealous. Once you see a person buy car, your friend buy car, your friend do this, do that, they happy for am. He don't finish your race. You get also, now so life be. Why some people even safe, they do partial. They get also, they go to do some kind of bad things to take finish their race quick. Some they go they do ritual. Some they go they scam people. They just jump, boom. If you jump like that, once you fall, you don't die, you don't lose guard. Now they find shortcuts. Shortcuts they lead people to bad cuts. You get also, if you join bad cuts, you don't finish with that. So now they follow shortcuts, because shortcut will lead you to bad cuts. Focus. This life now focus. No matter what they distract you, no matter the women when they shake bomb for your head, when they rob you, all those women, focus on your dream. If you too focus on woman, you don't lose guard. If you focus on woman now, just put them from one side. You get that also. Put them from one side. Focus on your dream first. You get also. Focus on your dream first. Because that your dream is very important something. Nobody go run your race for you, my brother. Your woman or your friend or your mom, you no go run your race for you. Now you go run your race by yourself. You get also. So don't let anybody distract you. Don't let anybody put pressure for your body. So see your friends, you don't make her. See your sister, you don't make her. See that guy for that place, you don't buy duplex. What you dey wait for? No. Tell the person say, Alpha, na my race I dey run. You don't run a race, finish. That no concern me. I don't know how I take run a race. I don't know if you do partial or not. That's not my business. Na my race I dey run. I happy for am. I wish am well. My time go come. Now so it reach. So don't let anybody put pressure for your body. So if you run your race small, as your power reach, that's why it's good to learn every day. Because the more you learn, the more you grow. The more you learn things. Learn from the internet. Learn from the Bible. Learn from church. Learn from leaders. Learn from many places. The more you grow, say wow. You get you go speed. The more you go speed for your race. The more you go speed for your race. So you quick reach there. But if you all lose guard, you all dey depressed, they think, you not quick finish your race. You go dey slow. You get down so, and if you not even take time, you fall, and if you fall, sometimes you say you don't tired, you don't want to stand up again. So always focus on your dream. You get down so, very important. Don't let anybody distract you. Don't let anybody talk down on you. You get that? So tell them, say, don't talk down on me. I'm running my race. You get that? So very important. Put that thing for your head.